Hi, I'm Gary, also known as Sibat Graphics on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm a freelance illustrator at ang ginagawa ko po ay mga shirt designs. And I have recently posted a reel or short form video sa ating Facebook page. Right now, it's at 19.7k views. And for today's video, I decided to share more insights about this design. So before we proceed, ipapakita ko muna kung ano yung short form content natin for this. Enjoy! Monkey na may hawak na camera, gagawing mecha? Ano kaya itsura? Let's find out! This is a commissioned artwork for Mad Creators. At yung sketch, ginawa natin yan sa iPad using Procreate. Yung line art at colors naman sa Adobe Illustrator na natin yan ginawa. Dito ko na rin inayos yung layout. Shoutout nga pala kina Dennis Celestino, Tep Tep, Ezekiel Alfor, Ram Babao, at Alvin Gaser. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa project na to. Ang ganda rin kasi ng concept ni client. Very playful. Now, let's check out the details. Sa taas, nakalagay Mad Creators. Sa gitna, syempre, yung mecha monkey natin na punong-puno ng details. Sa gitna, yung camera. At may smoke effects pa. Here's the full layout. Here's the front design. Here's the mock-up. Kung kailangan mo na maangas na design like this one, PM lang. Salamat! And we're back. As you can see dun sa video kanina, this was a commissioned artwork for Mad Creators. Isa silang video production team all the way from Dubai. So si client, he reached out to me para magpagawa ng shirt design and nakita daw niya yung mga videos ko on Facebook. May sinend na very interesting picture si client. Isa siyang cyborg na gorilla or monkey. And we discussed the possible concept para sa artwork and we decided to go with a futuristic vibe. So nag-agree kami na ang gagawin namin na illustration is a mecha or cyborg na monkey na may hawak na camera. After finalizing the concept, we went ahead and scheduled the project sa soonest available slot sa aking calendar. And pagdating ng schedule ni client, banat na agad sa sketch. So ito yung ating sketch time-lapse. Let's go! After nung sketch, sinend ko na agad yan kay client and surprisingly, approved naman agad sa kanya. But meron lang siyang binilin in terms of colors. Wag daw po akong gumamit ng any color blue. So I proposed na ang gamitin nating colors instead of blue ay red. And isa pang bilin ni client, dapat may color brown and yellow. So, sakto naman, parang nagmukhang Iron Man inspired yung ating artwork. So, after finalizing the color scheme, I went ahead and added colors dun sa ating artwork. Naglagay na rin ako ng maraming details. So, let's go ahead and check it out. Now, let's talk about the challenges that I faced sa illustration na to. Number one, having the right facial expression. Ito medyo tricky, yung expression ng monkey. Kailangan nakangiti siya pero hindi dapat magmukhang sobrang whack or wacky. And dapat kahit papano, cool pa rin siya tignan kahit na mukhang baliw-baliwan siya. No? And na-achieve naman natin siya, no? So I'm happy about it. Yung second challenge was the camera. Yung mga pinadala ni client na reference images sa camera gear na ginagamit niya, lahat may angulo. So, I had to imagine kung ano yung itsura ng camera kapag naka-front view. And it turned out fine. Wala naman pinarevise si client and wala naman siyang pinoint out na any inaccuracies dun sa sketch natin or dun sa artwork. Surprisingly, sa buong design process, napaka-swabe niya. And also, kaya naging swabe yung communication namin is because I always do update the client kung ano na yung progress ng artwork. And based on my experience, mas okay talaga ang buong proseso, mas swabe siya if you are always updating your client. So, isang tip rin yun sa mga kapwa ko, illustrators or artists, always keep the client in the loop kung ano na yung progress ng artwork natin. Okay? Now, let's check out yung final artwork, no? Here we go. Let's check out the details. In terms of the mock-up, ang ni-request lang naman ni client was a black and white shirt. And we already accounted for the shirt colors during the coloring phase, so wala naman naging issues in terms of the final artwork. I'd love to hear what you guys think about the illustration. Ano sa tingin nyo yung dapat na improve ko pa? So let me know what you think sa comment section below. And if meron kayong questions specifically about this artwork or any techniques na nakita nyo na in-apply ko. Pero bago ang lahat, make sure na nakasubscribe ka sa ating channel. Like mo na rin tong video na to. Check out mo na rin yung mga previous vlogs natin. Yun lang muna for now. Salamat!